Hey Salsa Ninja, are you ready to get to work?
Bam!
Hey guys, we have another tutorial for you.
Are you excited, guys? I hope you enjoy it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Leave this video a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, post the questions down below, and subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. Enjoy, guys. Boom!
Hey guys, welcome back to another salsa tutorial.
I'm Herman.
And I'm Juana.
And we're from Latin Dance Movement. Let's jump right into it, guys. We have a basic step, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna change the hands on 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna give her a right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Notice when I change the hand, I do that on 5. I hide it, so you have this movement that is going on when you're stepping. 1, 2, 3, 5. On 5, it happens to be closest to the middle, so I take advantage of that and boom, I switch the hands, making it look super smooth. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then I raise one hand empty, the other hand, I raise one hand like this together with her, and the other one I raise empty-handed, asking for her hand, palm down for me. She's giving it palm to her face, like that, and this is how we're connecting. We're not using thumbs, look at that. And then I give her the right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna put the hand over me. I'm gonna let go of this hand and go into the closed position. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, I do a reverse walk through 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? Let's see that again from here. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Switch the hand, 6, 7. Turn her 1, 2, 3. Up and over me, 6, 7. Reverse walk through, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then I am going to give her an inside turn to finish it off. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's walk through it slowly. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I change the hands. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 over me. Reverse walkthrough. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Inside turn. 1, 2 on 3. Bring the hand across her face. 6, 7. And back to the basic. 2, 3. And 5, 6, 7. Let's see it again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's see it from this angle. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Inside turn. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. For you, for the followers, notice how she's keeping the elbow down and how she's spotting on 3 towards me, so that when she lands at the place where she needs to be. She's not veering off. And also, it helps her not get dizzy when she's turning, okay? So try and spot, keep the elbow down closer to you. It'll help you maintain your balance. Basic step, last time. Actually, let's do it from here. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. I switch the hands. 6, 7. Turn her 1, 2, 3. 5. Reverse walk through. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Are you ready to deal with music?
Great job, guys, for making it all the way to the end of the video.
Awesome job. And guys, let me tell you something. If you want a cheat code, a cheat sheet, if you want the fastest way to get out on the dance floor, if you're a beginner, go to latindancemovement.com/crash course. We put together a program for you that is going to give you the tools and confidence to get out on the dance floor immediately, fast. This is what we teach all our students. This is not how I always used to teach. Before, I used to confuse and overwhelm people. Now I get them out on the dance floor. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you did, leave it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Leave us the comments down below. If you have any questions, we'll answer all your questions. And like always, subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. I hope you have a great night, guys. Enjoy. Bye.